the same moment was at the hospital a few miles away, told me that he was in her arms and she was giving him to God. And I said, well, at the same moment, I'm asking God to show me and tell me what is happening with the baby. And I said, I'm working on him. Can you please keep me informed of how he's doing? And I went to work and I kept doing everything Spirit told me and showed me to do. And it was hours. And she said, it's unbelievable. He is coming back to life. She said it was like golden light was flowing upon him and through him. And I then started doing more healing work on her and on him. And he survived the night and the next night and the next night. And within a few short weeks, she took him home. He's happy and healthy and living his best life. It is so amazing what we can do using healing alchemy and esoteric healing. And when your channels are clear and you know what's causing pain of any kind, from headaches to migraines to back pain to neck pain to issues with your eyes, feet, health, hormones, depression, sadness, money issues, relationship issues. This is what I have been doing since 2012, as I realized that the modality that I had been told would do everything, and many other healing modalities that I was told would heal trauma, which were not healing trauma or pain. So I began to ask for clarity, to see as God sees, and show me what is really causing pain and how to help people and animals heal of basically anything when told that it wasn't healable. So if you would either like to take matters into your own hand just for your own knowledge, for yourself and your own family, or if you feel called to be a healer yourself, I would love to help you. I have an upcoming healing, alchemy, esoteric healing teacher training program for a very small group of people who want to dive in deep and really learn some deep, beautiful secrets and give you the capacity to be truly connected to your heart, your soul, your mission here on planet Earth. Sarah Adler and I are going to be working together in this beautiful, very powerful 3-month teacher training program. And we are going to hold your hand and not only help you learn skills and techniques, but also help you heal and go up in frequency and have greater clarity so that you can know exactly what to do and how to do it.